Now that you know the basics of the BA degree, let's examine your degree requirements. In order to graduate with your BA Psychology degree, you must complete a minimum of 90 credits with an overall cumulative grade point average of a C or a 4.0. This translates to a 60 to 64% overall average. You also need to earn a minimum grade of a C in Psych 1010 Introduction to Psychology in order to continue as a psychology major. Here is a visual representation of the components of your degree. We will review this chart again later in the presentation. The main components of a BA Psychology degree include general education requirements, major requirements, courses taken outside the major, additional credits or electives, and finally, your upper level requirements, which are displayed on the bottom right of the screen. Let's examine each of these components more carefully. The general education requirements for a BA Psychology degree include a minimum of 18 credits as follows. 6 credits at the 1000 level chosen from an approved Faculty of Health General Education course or an approved humanities area. 6 credits at the 1000 level chosen from an approved Faculty of Health General Education course or an approved social science area. And finally, 6 credits at the 1000 level in natural science offered by the Faculty of Science. To confirm if a course is approved for your general education requirement, visit the current student's website at currentstudents.yorku.ca. Under the heading Courses and Enrollment, click on Search for Courses. You can search for current courses by general education courses. On this page, you will need to select your session, your faculty, which is the Faculty of Health, and then your degree type, either a Bachelor of Arts or a Bachelor of Science. Then click Search Courses. This page will show you all eligible general education courses that are being offered in the upcoming academic session. Using the column on the far right, you can determine which general education area the course satisfies. For example, the course displayed on the screen satisfies your humanities general education requirement. Further down, you will see courses that satisfy your social science requirement. And if you're in a Bachelor of Arts degree, all the way at the bottom, you will see courses approved for natural science. Now that we've reviewed the general education requirements and how to locate general education courses, let's talk about your major course requirements. Major courses refer to credits that you need to take in psychology. For a BA degree, you will need to complete at least 33 credits in psychology, which include the following courses. The first psychology course that you will take is Psych 1010 Introduction to Psychology. All students must achieve a minimum grade of a C in Psych 1010 in order to continue as a psychology major. This will be the only psychology course that you take in your first year. Required psychology courses at the 2000 level include Psych 2010 Writing in Psychology, Psych 2021 Statistical Methods 1 or Psych 2020 Statistical Methods 1 and 2, Psych 2030 Introduction to Research Methods. And to ensure that you acquire some breadth in psychology, you must take courses from different areas in psychology. You will need to complete at least 3 credits from Group 1, which is the 2100 series, and you can choose from Psych 2110 Developmental Psychology, 2120 Social Psychology, or 2130 Personality. You will also need to complete 3 credits from Group 2, the 2200 series, and you can choose from Psych 2220 Sensation and Perception 1, Psych 2230 Motivation, Psych 2240 Biological Basis of Behavior, or Psych 2260 Cognition. You must also complete at least 12 credits in psychology at the 3000 level or third year level. The completion of all these courses will total 33 credits and will ensure that you have a solid foundation in the study of psychology. In addition to general education and major requirements, you will also be required to take credits outside the major. You will need to complete a minimum of 18 credits outside of psychology. You will also need to complete 21 credits of additional credits or electives in order to reach an overall total of 90 credits for your degree. As we discussed in the previous presentation, upper-level credits are courses that students generally take in their final year of studies. As a Psychology BA student, you are required to complete 18 credits at the 3000 or 4000 level, including at least 12 credits in your major at the 3000 level. In total, you will take 12 upper-level credits from psychology and 6 upper-level credits from your electives to total 18 overall. The last piece of information you need to know about your BA degree are the graduation requirements. You must successfully complete a minimum of 90 credits and maintain an overall GPA of a 4.0 or a C in order to graduate. Now let's take a look at what your overall degree will look like again. You will need to earn 90 credits overall in order to obtain your psychology degree, of which 18 are general education credits, 33 are credits in your major, psychology, 18 are credits outside the major, and 21 are additional credits or electives. Of the 90 credits that you need in order to graduate, 18 must be upper-level credits or courses taken at the 3000 and 4000 level.